All right, okay, yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to StellaZone. If you're a new subscriber, I want to say thank you and welcome to StellaZone. I am your beautiful, gorgeous host, Stella. All right, so today we are going to be making, I'll call it chicken kose, okay? You guys have heard of kose, those that are from Ghana. My Nigerians, akara, precisely what I mean. I'm going to be using kose butter to cook my chicken and fry it. So you know what I mean as you watch along, okay? So do me a favor, if you have not subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button. It's free. And then there's a little bell icon also on the side. Hit that notification bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first amazing people to get a notification. So let's just get started. So let me walk you through the ingredient. What I have here is what we usually use in making the kose. I have the peeled black-eyed peas, okay? I bought this in the store. It was already peeled, okay? And so when it's already peeled, you don't have to soak it for I only had to soak it for 2 hours. I have green onions, okay, a quarter size of medium green onion. I have half of a red bell pepper. I have 3 chili peppers here, habanero peppers to be precise, and I have 2 eggs, okay? So that's what I have that I'm going to use for my butter. And then I have drumsticks and chicken tenders here that I'm going to be using. And before this, what you see on here is just badia complete seasoning, badia, and some black pepper and salt. That's it, okay? That's it. I didn't do too much. And then on my right here, I have some breadcrumbs here that I am going to use. Now you can get the seasoned breadcrumbs or you can get plain ones, and that's fine. And I also have salt here. I usually like to mix my salt, so I have pink Himalayan salt and kosher salt, okay? And then there's a little bit of water here in case I needed to blend my kose batter. I have that on the side. I might need it, I might not need it. So let's just get started by blending. We're not gonna blend the eggs. We're just going to blend whatever is blendable here, which is the onion, the peppers, and the black-eyed peas, okay? So we'll be right back. What I'm doing now is I'm mixing, in a separate bowl, I'm mixing my 2 eggs that I have. Don't overmix it, okay? Just whisk around. Okay, now my kose butter is ready, so I'm going to pour it in here. I did not use a lot of water. I had like 1/3 cup of water in here and just used a little bit. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the salt. About 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you can taste to see if that's enough salt. Okay. And then the next is I'm going to be adding the eggs. The egg part is optional, okay? The egg part is optional. Moving on, just a quick recap. I know I did not, when I was going through the ingredient, I did not tell you how the amount of black-eyed peas that I had was actually 1 cup. And I have taken a cup of blended black-eyed peas to set on the side just in case, you know, I have soaked too much and I want to fry kose with the remainder. I did not want to dip that chicken and then when there's leftover, I'll fry it and eat. So instead, if you have too much, just scoop it and put it on the side, and you can always make kose or momo with it and have that later. Okay, so moving on. So we're going to take our chicken, we're going to dip bread and set on the side. So dip, make sure you bathe it in there. Okay, bread, and then sit on the side. Dip, bread, and then you sit on the side. Smells so good. This is really a really simple recipe, guys. I didn't think of adding, like, don't add too many things like rosemary and other like herbs to it, because kose really has a really unique taste. So once you begin to add too much things, you know, you defeat the purpose. So now if you have kids, you can cut this up, okay, and just do some chicken, how do you call it? Nathaniel's not eating that right now, so I forgot.
Nuggets?
Chicken nuggets. I can't believe I forgot that. So if you have kids, you can cut this up and just flatten it out more and just make some chicken nuggets for the kids. Okay, I think you get the gist of it. So, alright, so I'll be back. So now we are ready to fry, okay? So my oil was heated at 350 degrees, okay? I did turn it up again to 400 because once I put the chicken in there, the temperature is going to drop, okay? So I put it up to 400 so that when I put it in there, even if it drops, it will go out very fast. It will climb back up. You know what I mean? Okay, so moving on. All right, so let's just fry some chicken. Look at it. So those are the drumsticks. Like, I don't want to do too much oil for it to overflow, but it will be good if like your chicken is submerged in there. So it will cook evenly. And this is gonna cook for a while. I mean, I'm gonna fry this for about 10, I'll probably say anywhere 10 to 15 minutes till it's done, okay? So be patient. Alright, so the tenders, I'm taking the tenders out. They are ready, they are done, okay? They've been frying for 15 minutes. So it's done. Just use a meat thermometer and check the temperature. If it's at 170, it should be. You cook it in, and if it says 170, your meat should be.
170 Fahrenheit.
Your meat should be done. All right, so the tenders are done. I'm going to give the thighs, the drumsticks, 5 more minutes, okay? Yeah, there we go. So this is the tender, the chicken tender. So nice and crispy. It's hot, so, and it's like juicy. See. So the drumsticks are done, so I'm just taking it out. So I did fry the tenders for 15 minutes and the drumsticks for 20 minutes. And like I said, just use your meat thermometer to check the temperature. If it is 170 degrees Fahrenheit, you're good to go, okay? All right, so Steven and I tasted it if we don't finish it. This is so good. Like, you get the crunchiness from the batter, the kose. The meat is nice and juicy. Soft. It's good. It's very crunchy. Oh, this is not on my diet, but it's so freaking good. So this is so good, and I know some of you will be like, well, let us see the drumstick. This one is like, I think I got the last one that cooked. This is hot. That one is, see. Just bite into, I just want to show you guys, see how well the meat is cooked. So that will be it for today. Give this recipe a thumbs up, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel before you go, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, smash it, it's free of charge, and hit the little bell icon on the side so that whenever I upload awesome videos like this, you'll be one of the first to get a notification. And check out my other videos like the kenke videos, the Milo ice cream. Check out awesome videos, okay? Thank you guys until I come your way again with another awesome recipe. Remain in God, remain blessed. Bye bye.